what length of trampoline 3 meters wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 and base radius is 6. So radius has been given. Assuming the extra length of the material that will be required to stitch, margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. We have to use pi value to be 3.14. So we are looking at building a conical tent. Something like this. Right? Here we need to understand that we have the radius and the height, not the slant height. So this is 6 meters and this is 8 meters, and this we need to find. This is actually Python triplets. So this will be 10, by the way. That you will learn in time. Not in time actually. You need to learn from the basics. What are the triplets? Pythagorean triplets. Okay. So learn the basics and then come over here. So you'll be able to tell the values just like that. So we have something like this. So what is that I'm drawing? See, you go to any stitching shop, cloth stitching shop, when they sell the cloth also, suit and all of that. What we get to see is that there are boards, cardboard around which the cloth will be wrapped. So the width of the material is fixed. If you want for a child, they'll give a particular length. For adults, some other length. The thing is, they will have the width fixed. That won't change. While the length, it depends on the person. So that's what they're talking about when they talk about length of trampoline is 3 meters. So that is what they're talking about. Now, the tent radius is 6. Then the height is 8. And the width of the cloth is 3 meters. 3 meters. And we have the extra length that is required is 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meters. It's important for us to convert everything to 1 unit. Here it's convenient to convert it to meters, right? Because this is to be added at the last, so this won't matter. So now the working. First thing is we need to figure out the slant height of the tent. That is your radius plus height square as per your Pythagorean theorem. And now we have LT square is 6 square plus 8 square, which is 36 plus 64, which is 100, and LT is square root of 100, which is 10 meters. As I told you guys, that will be 10. It is 10. Okay, so these are triplets. So these are set of values that you need to memorize. It's not some magic I did. It's set of values that we need to memorize. Okay. Now area of the cloth, that is part of the tent. So that is equal to area of the cloth that is to be taken out from the shop and the area of the tent. We need to equate them. So this is nothing but length of the cloth into width of the cloth, and this is pi r into slant height of the tent. Here pi value is 3.14. We need to take 3.14 itself. The slant, this is not slant height, this is width is 3.14 into radius is 6, and this is 10. Very simple values. Divide by 3, 1 za, 2 za. So L of C is 62.8 meters. And now the actual length. So we have length of actual length actual, which is length for the tent for plus the extra length. So this is 62.8 plus 0.2, that is 63 meters. What is the length of trampoline? So therefore length of tarpaulin, okay, is 63 meters, right? So that's your answer. So clean presentation will help you guys in your exams.